Montana Wyman, also known as Tana Rain, is an American model, Instagram star, TikTok star, and OnlyFans star. She is known for uploading photos and videos on social media. Tana Rain started her career by creating an Instagram account in 2013. She started sharing photos with her best poses. After that, she regularly shared photos of models wearing sexy clothes such as bikinis and lingerie. She managed to attract the attention of many people and get a lot of followers on her Instagram. Not only that, she was also contracted as a model by several brands to be promoted on their social media accounts. She also created a TikTok account. She shares interesting videos such as dancing, lip sync, modeling, and many more. Her net worth is around $100,000 to $1 million, which she earned from her modeling profession. She also earns income from advertisements and brand promotions.